You are going to love the 2019 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, autonomous braking, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, airbags, front, center. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.